So let's add a few more white blossoms to this image to just add a little more interest and foreground interest. So I'm going to blur them. So we're going to come in, apply Floral Framer. You can also apply manually. And let's choose one of these blossoms to come over. We're going to use the white apple blossoms. These are white, pink and green. So I'm going to flip this one horizontal. And let's just bring that in. We really want this to be kind of over the foreground. And because they're in the foreground, I really want to blur these up. Hit stop, and then I'm going to lighten up a little bit. Hit this a few times just to really add that lightness into the image and match what we've got going on. Let's add another one. Let's add this coming up from this side. And again, I'm going to add the blur. You can also do this manually just by going Filter, Gaussian Blur. And let's lighten up a little bit here. And maybe warm up a little touch. And there we go. Before and after, I've just added a lot more over the top. For all tutorials, you can go to the LSP Actions tutorial section on the website. If you go on the video library, Overlays, Botanicals, you will see all of the main tutorials. This is just a quick overview of something you can do. So I hope you love using the botanicals. These are from the Blossom set over at lsp-actions.com.